Take a ride in the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, auto headlight on/off, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar Communication System, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.